See, like, when some of you guys I see, you'll be dribbling in for the drive, and then you'll have 5 guys on the outside saying, here, 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 here. That's not the point to say it. The point to say it is, if somebody's like this, and they're saying, help, 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 then you give them that option. And something else is so saying, in the press, in the last quarter that we're doing press, you'll have somebody going on double team. So there'll be somebody here, and then you have 2 people on this guy, leaving 1 guy free. And then also, the reason some of you guys are getting substituted is hustling. Hustling, hustling, hustling. Sometimes you'll be down the court, you'll miss a shot, and you get distraught over it. And then you walking back down the court saying, oh man, I missed a shot. It's okay, come back on defense and don't let them make the shot on defense. So, I mean, look, it's halftime. 16 minutes left. Score's what, 5-23? We still have time.
And we beat this team already before, Coach.
And we beat them already. Woo! So, nothing to get distraught over. Because I've seen you guys come back from a bigger deficit when it was 8-21, and you guys still came back. So for this is nothing. And you guys were in the 3rd quarter, but you guys